Enjoy tabletop activities anywhere with this premium lightweight, collapsible table with carry bag. Designed with premium aluminum frame stable feet for natural surfaces, weather-resistant ripstop fabric makes for a tabletop for easy care. Avoid spilling drinks with 2 secure net cup holders. Keep track of smaller items by storing an attached utility bag with bottle opener chain. Assembles and breaks down in seconds for easy transportation and simple storage with included carry bag. Top reviews from the United States. Fantastic at the beach. Took this table to the Texas coast for a weekend beach trip and it performed fantastically. There are only 2 pieces. Just snap the top to the legs and you're good to go. Very compact and light. We were actually a little concerned with how light, that the wind might blow it over. No problems there. Very sturdy. Drinker holders on each end. Little zip pocket on the front. Very pleased with this find. It'll go with us on every beach trip.